This video is sponsored by SanDisk. Hit the like button if you started using something during this lockdown that was just lying around in some corner of your house unused for years. Hey guys, I'm Ashwin from Technology Jog, and I'm pretty sure all of you have something of that sort, something that you were not using before this lockdown. Basically, we've started valuing everything around us, and for me personally, it was this gadget, the SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive. So let me just give you a background. My parents and I were watching a lot of movies during this lockdown, but it's been months and we also ran out of good ones to watch. Also, we got really tired of sitting through 2 to 3 hours at a stretch. I don't know, must be the lockdown blues. And then last week, I was clearing up space on my mom's phone because she wanted to download some new apps. So I decided to move her photos and videos to the SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive temporarily to make space on the phone. And while doing so, I came across a lot of photos from our family trips on the SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive. Now, these were priceless memories that we had created, captured, but had completely forgotten about. So for a change, we went through those photos on our big TV screen. All we had to do was just connect the SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive to the TV. Now, I'm sure you're wondering how those vacation photos got into this. Hear me out, you don't want to miss this hack. This is the most important gadget for travel and vacations. As a matter of fact, I now carry one with me on every trip. In fact, this is like one of the first things on my list. The reason is pretty simple and straightforward. There are really good chances you lose photos and other data during a trip. You could lose your phone, you could damage it, someone might steal it, anything can happen. So I always make sure whenever I click pictures, I transfer them to the SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive. That gives peace of mind like nothing else can. And fun fact, this was something I learned the hard way. During my 2015 college vacation, one of my friends dropped and broke my Galaxy Note 4. Luckily, my friends had tortured me to send them photos via ShareIt every night during the trip so they could post Instagram stories and whatnot. So only the photos that we shot on that particular day were gone. But ever since then, the SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive has been my go-to gadget for travel. These family photos that we've been enjoying are from our trip to Kerala. We shot these images using my mom's Galaxy S7 Edge. I think that was the last time I used the micro USB version of this drive. Every phone I used after that had a Type-C port, so I bought the Type-C variant as well. And that's what I've been using in my recent trips. Now, a lot of you may ask, backing up your pictures is also possible through cloud storage like Google Photos or Google Drive, right? And to answer you, well, it's practically impossible. When I visited Thailand around 2 years ago, I used a limited data plan. During one of my other trips, I was using a plan with unlimited data, but the speed gets reduced after the FUP limit. Forget foreign countries, even in India, where we get the cheapest mobile data, it's not really possible. Most of us have a 1.5 to 2 GB data limit per day, but uploading a single short 4K video will use up half of that. And what about places that don't even have any network connectivity? Yes, those places do exist. Any Himalayan trek you go, zero signal, no phone calls, no internet. Even if you're blessed with a lot of mobile data, backing up photos to the cloud can take quite a bit of time and a lot of your data as well. Whereas the SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive transfers them at lightning speed. In fact, let's do a speed test right away. So here I'm gonna copy this 2 GB video file. As you can see, the speed of data transfer is around 150 Mbps, which is virtually impossible to get if you're uploading to cloud storage. Now, of course, one of the other key benefits of the SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive is that they can be used to instantly expand the storage of your smartphones by up to 256 GB. And by using the SanDisk Memory Zone app, which can be found on the Play Store and App Store, you can easily manage your existing files, and the best part, it can automatically take backup of new pictures and videos that you shoot or any new files that you download. You don't need to open up the file manager to copy the files, open the external storage location and then paste them or anything. It all happens automatically. It organizes all your phone data within the app. Plus, you could also find files on your device via geotagging or timeline. The app also allows you to free up space on your phone by clearing up downloads from other apps such as WhatsApp, or by easily transferring those files to the SanDisk Dual Drive. Also, a lot of the time we find ourselves in a position to edit some documents that we have on our phone. Of course, working on them on a PC is much easier. So in my case, sometimes, I'd want to edit some videos shot on the phone. So what I do is just transfer them to the SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive rather than uploading to Google Drive or using a cable. It's also the only choice when you don't have access to the internet. So why do you need to choose SanDisk's Ultra Dual Drive over other pen drives? Well, there are multiple reasons, but the most important one is the fact that these can work with your PCs as well as your phones and tablets seamlessly. Yes, some other brands also have the same product, but in my opinion, in my experience, SanDisk is just more reliable and has a better brand value, in my opinion. I personally use SanDisk SSD to edit my videos on this PC, and I also have a couple of Western Digital external hard drives, and all of them work perfectly fine. Some of them are almost 5 years old and are still doing great. So I can personally vouch for the quality and durability of these drives. It comes in multiple storage variants: 16 GB, 32, 64, 128, and 256. That's quite a wide range for you to select from depending on your usage level. But if that's still not enough for you, if you'd like to go bonkers on storage, well, Western Digital has also introduced a 1 TB version, the SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive Lux USB Type-C pen drive for smartphones, which has an all-metal body design and helps transfer content between Type-C devices quickly and easily. So go ahead, search your house. You probably already have one of these drives lying around. If not, just head over to the video description and you can find the product links to make your purchase. In case you've already been using one, what's your use case? Let me know in the comment section how effectively you have been using it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So that's it. See you in the next one. Take care and bye.